Welcome to Atarashi Hinode. Today let us learn how to add integers. We know natural numbers with 0 is the collection of whole numbers and that with negative numbers is the collection of integers. To know more about integers, please go through the video that I have already uploaded. Now, how do we add integers? To add integers, there are two cases, integers with the same sign and integers with different signs. Let us have a look at the first case, that is integers with the same sign. Here also there are two cases. Integers to be added can be either all positive or all negative. No matter whether the numbers are all positive or negative, what we have to do is just add the numbers and put the same sign for the result. Here I have taken two numbers 5 and 2. Both are positive. That is, both the numbers are having the same sign. So for adding these numbers, just add 5 and 2. That is 5 plus 2. It is 7. Now put the same sign for the result. Here 5 and 2 both are positive. So write plus here. Answer is plus 7. Also, here both the numbers are positive and we usually omit writing the positive sign. So, this positive 5 plus positive 2, it can be simply written as 5 plus 2 and we are very familiar with this addition and it is 7. Next, for adding plus 2 and plus 3, since both the numbers are having the same sign, add 2 and 3. That is 2 plus 3, it is 5 and put the same sign. It is plus. Now let us go to the negative case. Let us add minus 6 and minus 3. Here also, since both the numbers are having the same sign, add 6 and 3. That is 6 plus 3, it is 9. And put the same sign, that is minus. And when we add minus 4 plus minus 8, we get minus 12 because both the numbers are having the same sign. So just add 4 and 8, that is 12, and put the same sign, that is minus. So when two positive integers are added, we get a positive integer, and when two negative integers are added, we get a negative integer. Next, move on to the second case, that is integers with different signs. For adding integers with different signs, that is, when we add a positive and a negative integer, we subtract the smaller number from the bigger one, ignoring the signs, and then put the sign of the bigger number with the subtraction obtained. The biggest integer is decided by ignoring the signs of the integers. I will explain this with the help of an example. If you want to add plus 6 and minus 8, here 6 is positive and 8 is negative. That is, both the numbers are having different signs. So, here we have to subtract the smaller number from the bigger one. Here, if we take these numbers with the signs, plus 6 is bigger and minus 8 is smaller. But here we have to decide the smaller and bigger numbers by ignoring the signs. So, ignoring the signs, here the numbers are 6 and 8. 6 is smaller and 8 is bigger. So, subtract 6 from 8. That is 8 minus 6, it is 2. This is the subtraction obtained. Next, we have to put the sign of the bigger number. Here 8 is the bigger number and check here for its sign. It is minus. So, put minus here. So, the answer is minus 2. Let us do one more sum. Add minus 4 and plus 10. Here, the first number is negative and the second number positive. Ignoring the signs, the numbers are 4 and 10. Here 10 is the bigger number and 4 is smaller. So, subtract 4 from 10. Here we get 6. Here, the subtraction obtained is 6. Next, we have to put the sign. For that, check the sign of the greater number. Greater number is 10. And here its sign is positive. So put plus here. So the answer is plus 6. Now let us have a recap. For adding two integers with the same sign, add their values and keep the same sign. If the integers have different signs, Subtract the smaller value from the larger one. Ignore the signs while subtracting and give the result the sign of the number with the larger value. The smaller and bigger integers are decided by ignoring the signs of the integers. That is all about addition of integers. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.